Hey everyone! If your mouse isn't working or your laptop screen is frozen, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through a quick and easy way to shut down your Windows 11 laptop using only the keyboard. Just follow each step carefully. This method is really helpful when your mouse stops responding, and sometimes a proper shutdown can even fix the issue. First, press the Windows Start key on your keyboard. This will open the Start menu. Now we're going to navigate using the keyboard. Start pressing the Tab key until your profile name is highlighted in the bottom left corner of the screen. Once your name is selected, press the right arrow key to move over to the Power button, then press Enter. Next, a small menu will appear. Use the down arrow key to select Shut Down and press Enter to confirm. And that's it. Your laptop will now shut down using just the keyboard. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips.